Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the battery pack and any accessories. This prevents shorts and lost parts. Next, use a T8 or T10 screwdriver to remove the 6 to 8 screws. Keep them in order. Pry the shell at the seams with a plastic tool so you don't strip clips. Once the rear cover lifts, make sure to disconnect the ribbon or battery connector before pulling the board up. That prevents tearing connectors and saves time when you reinstall parts. Once the board is exposed, locate the joystick module and note its orientation. This ensures correct movement and calibration later. If the module is soldered, heat the joints evenly and remove each pad. If it's plug-in, depress the latch and lift straight up to avoid bending pins. Fit the replacement so pins align. Solder with small tacking strokes or snap the connector down, then visually verify ground and shield contact. Make sure traces remain intact, because a broken trace kills signals. You now reconnect the ribbon and battery, then seat the PCB into the shell slowly so connectors align. This prevents pin bends and shorting. Replace screws in the original order and tighten lightly. Over-tightening strips plastic or warps the board. Once assembled, power the controller and calibrate on the console or PC. Check for dead zones and full range of motion. If drift or non-response remains, try cleaning the pot contacts with
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.